Hey guys, RCT back here for that video. Guys, today we're going to talk about some items that I recommend getting with your Galaxy Fold 3 right now, so you can automatically have them on the 27th when you do go ahead and get your Fold 3. Now, if you do go ahead and pre-order the Fold 3, the 256GB model, you do get a $200 store credit. You have to utilize it the second you get it, so I recommend going ahead and picking up these two items with that $200 store credit. Starting off right away, it's actually going to be Galaxy Buds 2. Now, if you buy it when you're pre-ordering the Galaxy Fold 3, you actually get these buds for only $120. So you even save $30 by going ahead and getting these while you're pre-ordering your device. Now, these Galaxy Buds 2 do not come out until the 27th, so you have to wait until the 27th to pick them up. But based on what every tech reviewer I've seen so far have said, these sound amazing, they are amazing, and just these are the next gen headphones. These are the earphones, the buds. Earbuds that you're going to want to go ahead and have. And definitely, if you have for free for going ahead and pre-ordering the Galaxy Fold 3, just even a extra little bonus, extra little plus. Can't wait to try them out. There will be a full review on the channel of these when we do go ahead and get them on the 27th, guys. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and go with the second item. The second item here is going to go ahead and be another item you get with the pre-order bonus, and that's going to go ahead and be the Galaxy Fold 3 5G flip cover with S Pen Black. Now, I've said this before. Again, I made a whole entire video covering this case. If you don't like this case at all, and you're like, this case is stupid, still buy this case. Now, let me make that make sense, okay? First off, if you pre-order this case with the Galaxy Fold 3, you get this case for $50 instead of $79.99, right? $79.99, that's a lot of money, right? But you get it for $50 that it's discounted to, which of course with your store credit you get it for free. So you get a free Galaxy free flip cover with an S Pen. Now, where am I making sense on this one? Let me go ahead and explain it like this. The pen itself, the foldable edition pen, already is $40, okay? So it's a $40 pen plus a $10 case. So when you look at it as you're spending $40 for a pen plus $40 for a case, you're like, oh, this is stupid. This is not worth the money. What are you talking about? But when it's discounted to $50 and you get it for free using your store credit automatically, that makes a lot more sense in my opinion, because now you're spending $40 for a pen. You might want to use the pen eventually. I'll tell you right now, using the Surface pen on the Surface Duo, I absolutely love it, okay? It adds so much to user experience, and if you guys have never used an S Pen before, you're going to love it. I promise you that. Using the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, that S Pen, oh my God, did it add so much to my user experience. Nonetheless, though, I have grown up using a lot of Galaxy Notes, and having that S Pen, you just don't get over it. Having the ability to use the gestures, and I'm telling you that right now, guys, click the button, you do this, gestures happen. Stuff happens with just the S Pen. You can also take notes, draw, do all kind of stuff. It's really, really cool. You get all that for $50. A case plus the S Pen. And the best part is, it's free. It's absolutely free when you pre-order your Fold 3. You can't ask for more. Even if at the end of the day you go, I don't want this, it was free. You're not losing out. So if you haven't pre-ordered already, maybe think about pre-ordering it. All right, so let's talk about the rest of these accessories. We have 3 more accessories. All 3 of these are going to be from Amazon.com, and these are 3 key accessories I recommend picking up. You can pick them up right now and have them ready to go on the 27th. Starting off right away, number 1, wireless charging pad. So plain and simple, what is a wireless charging pad is exactly what it sounds like. You plug it into the wall, you put it down, you take whatever phone you end up having. Let's say, for example, right here I have my bad boy right here. You just go ahead and slap it right in the charging pad, start charging your phone. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Nonetheless, though, this is a very, very important thing to have for especially any smartphone nowadays. Listen, I love using cables more than the next guy, right? But at the end of the day, it is always nice to have the ability to just slap your phone down on something and bam, it starts charging that phone. And easily, as you guys can see, it does have fast charging, which is absolutely awesome. It's $12.49. You get a 5% discount automatically. If you don't like it, return it. If you do, which you are, this has 120,000 reviews and it has 4.5 stars, guys. You're not gonna regret buying this. This is gonna be something that automatically adds to your phone, automatically adds to your device, and you're gonna be happy having it. Next thing here, guys, is actually a car mount. Now this is the exact same car mount I have for my Surface Duo, and if you guys do not know, the Surface Duo has a big screen, right? And this is what I use for the Surface Duo. You can also use this for, you know, your Galaxy Fold 3. Pretty much plain simple, what this does is you put this in your CD player in your car, just like this. As you guys can see, you just put in your CD player and you always have a car mount ready to go for your device. And obviously the Galaxy Fold 3 being a gigantic device, you're gonna want to have some kind of holster for it, and this just adds to that little ability to always have a holster for your device. This actually works with iPads, it works with any tablet type device. So Galaxy Fold 3 just being right on that list of items that you can instantly have and not have any issues with that in mind. The last thing we have today, guys, is actually going to go ahead and be MagSafe, but for the Fold 3. So what is MagSafe? If you guys have never heard of MagSafe and you're like, I don't know what that is, pretty much it was invented by Apple, and Apple had it for a very long time on their MacBook laptops. Pretty much plain simple, what MagSafe is that little end, you know, as you guys know, when you're charging a phone, the end of the charging port, you just put it in the port of your phone. So right here, you just go ahead and slide that right in, and now you always have that in your phone at all times. Now what you go ahead and do is you have the cable, whatever charging port cable you have, and as you guys can see right here, all you have to do is magnetically line up the charging cable with the actual port in your phone. So for example, let's go ahead and show you right here. This is what it would look like, right? So all I have to do now is take the cable and just get anywhere near my phone's little charging port like that, and instantly it will connect and start charging your device within seconds. So very easy, very simple, very awesome. It just adds so much to the device. I use this with the Surface Duo now, and I absolutely love it. I can't recommend this enough, just because, again, like I said, I use this all the time with my Surface Duo, and it's not like it's a big deal with most devices. Surface Duo is a big deal because USB-C port on that device, a lot of people's USB-C port has broken, so this is a device, you know, really big thing for the Surface Duo. But for other devices, it's not really a huge deal. It's not a make or break type of contract here, but I will definitely say that it's something you're gonna love, right? It's something you're gonna love at the end of the day. So definitely recommend picking up, giving it a try. If you don't like it, return it. In all honesty, it's $11.90, guys. Literally all three of these items on this list, very cheap, very affordable. Should go ahead and improve your experience day one. Tell me down below, guys, thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.